wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'm Mutmainnah. I want to submit a report regarding the worrying condition of one of the rivers in the Kabere area, Cendana Sub-District and Rekang District. Fields of rubbish can be seen covering the surface of the rivers, including plastic, household rubbish, and other material that pollute the water flow. The situation not only contaminates the environment but also obstructs the water flow, potentially causing floods during the rainy season. Moreover, this flooding adversely affects the river's ecosystem and can impact the health of communities living near the river due to the increasing pollution. Authorities are expected to promptly implement concrete measures, such as cleaning and waste management, as well as educating the public to avoid littering. Collective awareness is crucial to prevent further damage in the future. That concludes today's news report. I am Mutmainah. Thank you for following this new news and stay tuned for other letters reports. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.